places on Betka's wide shore. Golden sand stretch, inviting a stroll. Footprints mark memories, waves whisper lore. Nature's embrace, filling my soul. Betka, oh Betka, your shores serenade. With each gentle wave, my worries fade. Sun-kissed and peaceful in your light I wait. On your calming shore my heart is laid. Cliffs rise rugged against the sky so clear. Shadows play on rocks as the seabirds cheer. Turquoise waters call, drawing me near. In this quiet place, everything's dear. Betka, oh Betka, your shores serenade. With each gentle wave, my worries fade. Sun-kissed and peaceful in your light I wait. On your calming shore my heart is laid. Under the vast sky I stand small but free. Reflections on life and what's yet to be. Betka's soft whispers of balm to me. Here in this moment I truly see. Clear waters leave the mouth of Betka's flow. As high tide recedes and the currents slow. Crystal ripples mirror the sky's glow. In these fleeting tides life's beauty shows. Betka, oh Betka, your shores serenade. With each gentle wave my worries fade. Sun-kissed and peaceful in your light I wait. On your calming shore my heart is laid. Evening's glow sets the waters aflame. Each rock, each wave now calls out my name. Today's just a chapter in Betka's game. Each visit's unique, never the same. Betka, oh Betka, your shores serenade. With each gentle wave my worries fade. Sun-kissed and peaceful in your light I wait. On your calming shore my heart is laid. In Betka's arms, a serene escape. Memories made in her landscape. Her song of peace in every shape.